Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss the different types of questions of direction sense. Before starting this video, firstly I recommend you to watch last video of direction sense. The link for this video is given in the description box. Watching my video till end, must subscribe my YouTube channel Target Riders and also click on bell icon so that you will get my notification very first, and also hit like button. If you have any kind of queries, then ask in the comment box. So let's start with the first question. Ekman walked 4 kilometers towards south and then turns to the right. After walking 5 kilometers, she turns to the left and walks 4 kilometers. What direction is he facing right now? So before solving this question, firstly draw the basic diagram. This is the basic diagram. North, south, east and west. This is our fixed point. So according to the question, Ekman walks 4 kilometers towards south. So this is our O fixed point and walks 4 kilometers towards south and then turns right. So this is our right and walk 5 kilometers. After that he takes left turn. So if you feel any confusion that what in which direction he moves, where is the left or where is the right, so make basic diagram like from this part basic diagram is. So this is the west direction and from west direction where is the left? Left is downside. So 4 kilometer and the next is what direction is he facing right now? We draw basic diagram from at this point, then he is in the facing south side, so C is the right option for this question. The second question is Yeshu faces towards north. Turning to his right, he walks 5 meters. He then turns to his left and walks 10 meters. Next, he moves 5 meters to his right. He then turns to his right again and walks 15 meters. Finally, he turns to the right and moves 7 meters. In which direction he now from his starting point? So let's solve question. Yeshu faces towards north. So firstly, this is our fixed point, faces towards north. So this is the north direction according to the basic diagram, and turning to his right. From north is our right and walk 5 meter. So this is our 5 meter. Then he turned to his left and walked 10 meter. From basic diagram, he is in east direction and then he turns his left. From east, he walks 10 meter. This is our 10 meter. Next, he moves 5 meter to his right. So now he is in north direction and he moves 5 meter to his right. From north is our right side and moves 5 meter. Then he turns to his right again and walks 15 meter. We make basic diagram at this point, then he is in east direction. So according to the question, he turns to his right again and walk 15 meter. From east, the right is downside. This is 15 meter. Finally, he turns to rights and moves 7 meter. If we draw basic diagram at this point, then he is in south direction. He turns to right and move 7 meter. So he moves 7 meter. This is our 7 meter. In which direction is he now from his starting point? From starting point, this is our basic diagram. So he is in southeast direction. So option D is right. Now the third question is Dhruv walks 10 kilometers towards north. From there he walks 6 kilometers towards south. Then he walks 3 kilometers towards east. How far and in which direction is he with reference to his starting point? So let's solve this question. This is our starting point. name it as O. Dhruv walks 10 kilometer towards north from starting points. North is in upward direction, then he walks 10 kilometer. This is our 10 kilometer. From there he walks 6 kilometer towards south. From this point he walks 6 kilometer towards south. So he is at this point 6 kilometer. Then he walks 3 kilometer towards east. From this point he walks 3 kilometer. This is 3 kilometer towards east. How far, in which direction he with the reference starting point. This is our starting point and this is our ending point. So we find the direction and distance between starting point and ending point. From starting point to this point, this is 10 kilometer, and he returns back 6 kilometer. So rest is 4 kilometer, like 6 from 10, then we have 4 kilometer. So this region is 4 kilometer, right? And this distance is 3 kilometer. So we find this distance. So now name these points. This is O, this is A, this is B. So now find the distance between O and B. On this point, we applied the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse squares is equal to the base squares plus perpendicular squares. So according to this diagram, OB is our hypotenuse, base is AB. So write it down, AB square, and OA is our perpendicular. Now fill the values. We find the OB square. So OB square is as it is. What's the value of AB square? Is 3. So write 3 there. What's the value of OA? Is 4. Solve it. 25 is the square of 5. So this is the value of OB. OB is 5 kilometer. Now find the direction from the starting point to the ending point. If we draw a basic diagram at starting point, then the Dhruv faces in the northeast direction. So option B is right. Now the fourth question is, Aju is facing towards south and turns 45-degree anti-clockwise. He turns again 180-degree in anti-clockwise direction. Now he turns 270-degree clockwise. Which direction is he facing? This is our basic diagram and this is our fixed point O. So according to the question, Aju is facing towards south and turns 45-degree anti-clockwise. We know that anti-clockwise in this direction. This is anti-clockwise direction. Turns 45-degree anti-clockwise. So if he facing towards south, then he is at this point. Turns 45-degree in anti-clockwise. So he is at this position. This is the 45-degree. Then he turns again 180-degree in anti-clockwise direction. We know that 180-degree is straight line. This is 180-degree in anti-clockwise. Now he turns 270-degree in clockwise direction. We know that this is our clockwise direction. We know that the distance between two direction is 90-degree. This is our 45. This is our 90. This is 45, 45. If we add 90 plus 45 is 135. 135 plus 90. This is 135 plus 90. 225. At this point 225. And if we add 45, he is facing in southwest direction from the starting point. So B is the right option for this question. So these are the different types of questions of direction sense. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks a lot for watching my video. So don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and also comment that how's the video and ask your queries if you have any.